Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky narrowly escaped a Russian missile strike targeted at him on Wednesday. The incident unfolded in the bustling Black Sea port city of Odessa, where Zelensky was holding discussions with Greek Prime Minister Kyriakos Mitsotakis. Miraculously, neither Zelensky nor any members of the Greek delegation sustained injuries, despite the missile landing perilously close, approximately 500 feet away, as reported by Greek officials to the Protothema news outlet. However, the Ukrainian presidential office remained silent in response to inquiries. The tense moment transpired around 10:40 a.m. local time as air raid sirens pierced the air, signaling imminent danger. Within moments, an explosion shook the vicinity, leaving Zelensky and his entourage shaken but unscathed. Addressing reporters afterwards, Zelensky condemned the reckless aggression, underscoring the indiscriminate nature of the attack. He lamented the casualties inflicted, emphasizing the urgent need for robust defense mechanisms to safeguard against such brazen assaults. Throughout the protracted conflict with Russia, Zelensky has demonstrated unwavering resolve, frequently traversing Ukraine's war-torn regions, often risking his safety to bolster morale and solidarity among his people. Yet, Wednesday's ordeal marked one of the closest brushes with danger for both the Ukrainian president and a visiting foreign dignitary. Greek Prime Minister Mitsotakis recounted the harrowing experience, describing the sound of sirens and explosions resonating ominously nearby. With little time to seek refuge, the gravity of the situation became palpable, highlighting the relentless onslaught faced by cities like Odessa in recent days. Zelensky pointed to the urgent need for enhanced defense capabilities, citing delays in the supply of vital equipment as contributing factors to the escalating humanitarian crisis. He urged for swift action, stressing the imperative of bolstering Ukraine's defenses against emerging threats, including drone attacks and missile strikes. While not explicitly mentioning the US, Ukraine's principal weapons donor, Zelensky's remarks underscored the pressing need for timely and decisive support from international allies. Despite stalled security assistance packages in Congress, the urgency of the situation demands concerted efforts to fortify Ukraine's resilience against external aggression. In the face of adversity, Zelensky's steadfast leadership continues to inspire resilience and solidarity, epitomizing the indomitable spirit of a nation determined to defend its sovereignty and secure a future of peace and stability.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.